Hello, traders. Today is Tuesday, July 22nd. This is my analysis for the pound yen, and we are on the 1 hour time frame. So on the pound yen, the daily time frame did break down, but we do not have a breaker structure yet on the daily. That's this line down here. So we do have to realize that this move down could turn into just a pullback to the last wave up. But for now, I am looking for shorts while I hopefully learn and earn whether we do really have a trend reversal on the daily or not. We just got a nice 50% fib bounce, and I would be looking for shorts, so that could possibly be a sorting opportunity. I would like to see more proper three-way pullbacks like that, but the market definitely doesn't always make those nice, perfect three-way pullbacks. So right now, I am definitely recommending shorts. Hopefully, while we learn and earn whether this move down is a correction to the weekly uptrend or whether we do really have some sort of a trend reversal happening on the daily time frame. So anyways, don't forget to check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner. Take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.